Currency switch, you have to firstly think which all currencies and units you want. I only want INR crores and USD millions. Okay. I'll use these two currencies, which means that if my model is being built in INR itself, I do not need to divide it by anything. Just I'm writing one. But if I want to convert it into crores, I'll have to divide by 10 to the power 7. Similarly, if I have to convert my entire model into just USD, I'll have to divide it by 83. But if I need to convert it into millions as well, I'll have to divide it by 10 to the power 6. So essentially, INR crores means that I'll have to divide my model by 1 crores, and USD million means I'll have to divide my model by 83 million. So this is the currency switch. Now, how to build it out? I will give my user of the model an option that, okay, you have the two options. I'm going to data validation. Here I'll select list and source would be these two options. You can add any multiple options you want. So now if I open the list, I have two options. I can use either of these units to get my model into. Let's say I select USD million for the time being. So now the last step is I use SUMIFs. This is my favorite formula. You can use SUMIF as well. You can use VLOOKUP as well. You can use any formula to fetch data. Sum range is these two, criteria range these two, and criteria is this. So now when I toggle with this particular tab, my cell number O6 is automatically changing. So I will now name this particular cell, just a second. I will name this particular cell as currency or CURR. And last step of this particular thing is to go and manually write divide by CURR wherever I am putting a manual figure. Okay. So this means that my currency, now if you look at it, it is showing as 0.1 USD million. And if I go and toggle here again and put it INR crores, so I've taken 50 lakhs, so it should show zero point 0.5. It is showing 0.5. This is how the currency switch works.